Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to manage the home screen on your Xiaomi 13T. So first of all, let me show you how do we create a folder on this phone. So grab your application, for example, let's grab Netflix. Simply drag it onto the other application, release your finger, and your folder is created. If you want to rename your folder, open it up, find its name, rename folder, hold it, and let's give it any name. So for example, let's give it 000, why not? Alright, now our folder is renamed. Also, if you want to add some new widgets, simply find a blank space on your home screen, give it a hold, find your widgets tab right here, tap on it. So in here, choose from the available widgets, for example, clock current, press add, and choose, simply give it a hold, right? And you can drag it between the screens, and you can give it some nice place. There is a lot of cool widgets such as news widgets, app vault widgets, some game widgets, whatever. When you're satisfied with your widgets, simply press the stick at the top right corner and the result will be saved. Also, if you want to delete a widget, for example, this exact clock, we do not need it anymore, simply give it a hold and press remove, or simply drag it to the remove icon and it will be deleted. For the further settings of your home screen, open up your settings tab, find your home screen tab right here. So here, tap on the home screen and you can choose from 3 presets, like leave it as a classic one. With app drawer, it makes your home screen more Samsung-like. We got this app menu and light mode, all right? So I'll just leave it in the classic because I prefer it this way. You can enable and disable Google Discover. You can enable and disable swipe up on the home screen option. You can change your animation speed between relaxed, balanced, and fast, and etc. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.